What's happening, and welcome back to a brand new episode on Adventures with Vinnie. Those that are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing, but the support is appreciated. So just going to head down to the Verulamium Lakes. Probably pronounced that wrong, always get it wrong, but we've had a lot of rain lately, and there were some flood issues down there before. And I thought, head down there, see how bad it is. It's not as bad as Bedford Road open door swimming pool in Marston Mortain. But I am loaded, got my rucksack. I do have my 360 degree 2-ton pull force magnet on me. I'm not sure if magnet fishing is allowed down the lakes, but I thought I'm going down there anyway, so I might as well take the magnet with me, see if there is any goodies in there. I know last time I went down there was a few months ago when my brothers come down and there was a scooter in there. I know the local litter picking team have found knives down there, machetes, drug affiliated stuff as well, so yeah, I'll bring you back when I get down there. Obviously on the way, if I see anything happening in town, then I will film it. So the last clip you just saw, a Arriva bus had broken down and was getting towed away by one of the tow trucks. So I'm just coming up to St Albans Museum and Gallery, and the lake's about 10 minutes away. It's quite dull, town's quite boring. All the stalls are packing up at the moment. I don't blame them, to be honest. The weather's quite muggy, grey skies, no rain yet, although it has been forecast that we're going to get some rain this afternoon. We'll see. So yeah, Peddling Pizza, go on YouTube, check them out. Left hand drive, but they do have a YouTube channel which is Peddling Pizza. I will put a link in the description and then you can just click it and go and subscribe to them. Sweet. So one of the reasons I'm taking the magnet down there is because I don't believe anyone's magnet fished down the lakes, to be honest. Also, local litter pickers have found knives and machetes. Sorry about that. So you never know what's going to be in the water until you throw the magnet. St Albans Cathedral. So yeah, just gonna walk around the cathedral, walk down the long road that leads down to the lakes. So gonna cut down Orchard Street. And then at the bottom, turn left. It will bring me to Ye Old Fighting Cocks. Presumably one of the oldest pubs in Britain, but there has been other places and pubs saying, oh, ours is the oldest, this and that. We just don't know really, do you? Head up there, you've got the gateway to the cathedral. Head down here, you've got ye old fighting cocks directly in front of me. So just approaching ye old fighting cocks on my left. It's quite busy, but then again, schools have just finished, so there's a lot of school kids and parents out and about. Probably in the daytime, weather like this, there wouldn't be a lot of people. And then you've got the little river slash stream running beside the pub. Now it is shallow, but you never know what could be under the mud, to be honest. So I'm gonna have a couple of throws here and see if I find anything. It's got 1930 something on that bridge. And then on the other side, so yeah, could have a couple of throws, see what's happening. So I've had 5 throws so far. Load of bottle tops, top of a can, loads of coins. Got an interesting one there. Well, I've been taking the coins home, cleaning them up. So got some guttering. Believe it's probably from the pub that's behind me. Then got this, which has got a handle at the end. So I believe this is one of them poles to open the windows. 3 fence posts. I ain't gone magnet fishing in possibly over 2 years since Martin passed. The rest is stole. For 3 months, every week we was going out and we was catching these. First time I go out magnet fishing in about 2 years, I caught 3 of them. So then I've got a saw, a lighter, square nail, some more coins, an AirPod and an old button. But I'm going to try it on the other side now and see what else there is. So done about 20 throws from just where the magnet is to the end of this bridge. Got a tree in the way. I need cutting down, to be honest. But got a Duracell battery, flathead screwdriver, some more coins and a lot of scrap. So I'm going to get rid of all this, take them and work my way around this corner. So yeah, the lakes have flooded a little bit, not much though, but I'm gonna walk and drag the magnet all the way up there to the little lake near the Waffle House, where there is another bridge where this stream slash river runs underneath it. So I will bring you back if I find any goodies. Saying goodies, there's football just over there, look. So I was over that side a minute ago, got stuck on metal sidings, took about 5 minutes to get my magnet off, retrieved it, saw someone that works for John O'Connor drive past in a little truck picking up all the rubbish, told him where the other scrap metal is. He said thank you, you know, he's really appreciated what I'm doing. And I've done a walk and drag until I got to this little lake bit here, but Got a little cassette tape, which would have been probably a badge or something, some chain, load of scrap and some more coins. So I'm gonna have a few throws in this lake here, maybe a few throws on this side, and then call it a day. And in fact, I can see the scooter from where I am standing. You probably can't see it, but it is literally down there. It's about 6 foot from where the goose is now. So I'm going to throw the magnet in and get it out, and then have a few long throws and see if I can find anything in here. And there you go. So that is it for the day. Got the scooter out, scrap, coins, the little pin badge, little chain there, and a few throws on that side as well. Got an umbrella which has still got the wooden handle, not sure how old that is. Then some spiky pole with 2 holes at the end, another umbrella. Got this counterweight, I think, old tin, not sure what kind though. And then more scrap. Magnet's gonna get wrapped up. Found a can as well that was lodged down the side of there. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when my next video is out. But I'm going to clear all this. The bin is literally behind me there in the distance, and head off home. Unfortunately, we cannot go near the Waffle House due to excessive flooding still. Just behind me, where the metal fencing is, it is blocked off because the path's meant to go around that bit of lake and it don't, and this lake's flooded all into the river towards the Waffle House. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember, keep smiling, be safe, stay happy, and see you again soon. Stick this next to the bin. There you go. Bridge is all clear. Done.